CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 20th of June 2025. Vahan says that during the war in Iran, Christians are accused of treason. They are being called representatives of Israel. Arrests are ongoing and Christians are watching. In the meantime, worship of God continues. Emily lives in Iraq and also preaches Christianity. But she cannot hear. She was arrested but was released due to her disability. She said that God is with her in this problem too, and saved her from the hands of the police. Salome is a mother of 3 children in Somalia. Her husband was killed while they were worshipping in church. Now she is in many problems: child support, family protection while being a Christian. But the authorities have failed to provide them with protection. In Indonesia, Christians are targeted for ridicule, which is the height of discrimination. Founder Gumson says that people tried to kill her while making fun of her, but she ran away injured. The launch says that churches are being closed in Ukraine, religious leaders are being kidnapped, tortured, or killed, and religious freedom is being severely affected. In addition, some such actions have been taken by the Ukrainian government, such as the confiscation of some historical monasteries. Pope Leo XIV said that the brutal attacks in Nigeria are unacceptable under any circumstances. The attack on a shelter built by the Catholic Church, then the expulsion of refugees and burning them. This is not the first attack, this is an ongoing series. Haykop G. Machuan says that in Iran, he went to a friend's house for dinner and some attackers came and told him to search his belongings, and when they found a Bible in it, they kidnapped Haykop, accused him of spreading Christianity and sent him to prison. In South Africa, Christine said that the shelter she lives in is being closed. The excuse of national security is being used. She has already fled an area that is full of war, famine and terror. Being a Christian, there is a lot of danger. She is afraid that she will not be sent back. Titus tells from Uganda. After the vandalism and theft in their church, people will also be attacked. Many people are injured. Now the shelter is desperately needed so that the homeless can be kept in a safe place. Adding news from Kazakhstan, Arzanov said that Christians face discrimination. Christian women are harassed in the workplace. They are deprived of the advancement that other employees get. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.